Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lobisa J back with another video. Yes guys, thank you so much for clicking in. If you are new here, kindly hit that like button. My name is Lobisa Jawo. I'm a South African mom of 4, a married woman to a Ghanaian man living in the United States. Be part of this family. And if you're an OG, a returning subscriber, my Deliza, my own, go ahead and hit that like button. So today we are doing a wig installation, you guys. I got this wig from Amazon. There's a human hair and it's a 24-inch, you guys. If you remember, I have a 24-inch in a synthetic, the brownish one, but I finally got a human hair and it was so affordable. If I could, I might put the link in the description box. It's not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you how I installed it to be in this perfect shape. Thank you so much for watching in advance. So go ahead and watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you in my next one.